Welcome back to another video by Adeptis Academy. Imagine a laboratory built from code and complex computation, where algorithms replace apparatus. Today, scientists increasingly rely on digital laboratories, virtual spaces powered by high-performance computers and sophisticated software. Computational research lets us simulate intricate processes too complex or expensive to test comprehensively in the real world. A computational chemist creates virtual molecules, testing their interactions within a simulated environment. Physicists simulate particle collisions on supercomputers, bypassing the need for expensive particle accelerators. This digital approach enhances traditional science, guiding real-world experiments and making the scientific process more efficient. The digital and physical labs work in tandem, accelerating scientific discovery. Answers to pressing questions are sought inside these machines, from curing diseases to understanding climate change. Computational research drives modern progress, deepening our understanding of the world. It's transforming the very nature of scientific inquiry itself. Science once stood on two pillars, theory and experiment, but as questions grew more complex, this model reached its limits. Some theories are too intricate for pen and paper. Some experiments are too risky or costly. Enter computational research. The third pillar, bridging theory and experiment. Computers simulate models too complex to solve analytically, turning abstract ideas into virtual experiments. Take weather prediction. The atmosphere's chaos is modeled by supercomputers, forecasting storms and sunshine alike. Computation democratizes research, letting a desktop run simulations once reserved for elite labs. It fosters collaboration between mathematicians, computer scientists, and domain experts. Building simulations requires both scientific insight and technical skill. Science is now thinking, doing, and computing, each pillar strengthening the others. The third pillar has fundamentally changed how we explore and understand our world. It's the bridge to new scientific frontiers. Biology is a world of staggering complexity, a realm filled with intricate mechanisms and processes that govern life as we know it. It's a world of billions of DNA letters, the very building blocks of our genetic code, and countless proteins, each with a unique structure and function, orchestrating the symphony of cellular activity. All these elements work together in intricate systems. Computational biology has fundamentally transformed this field, ingeniously turning complex biological puzzles into manageable data problems. The Human Genome Project, for example, a monumental undertaking, heavily relied on sophisticated algorithms to assemble, analyze, and interpret our complete genetic code. Today, computers are absolutely central to modern medicine, enabling scientists to model viruses with unprecedented accuracy and to simulate the interactions of thousands of drug molecules, all in the pursuit to find the best possible therapeutic fit. This dramatically speeds up the entire drug discovery process and allows lab work to be strategically focused on only the most promising drug candidates. Beyond the realm of genetics, computational models are invaluable in helping ecologists predict complex ecosystem changes, and they empower neuroscientists to simulate intricate brain networks. In essence, computers enable us to study biological systems that are simply too vast or too complex for direct physical manipulation. We can now observe life as it unfolds in digital form, thereby revealing the hidden logic and underlying principles that govern living systems. Computational biology is not just a tool, it is now an absolutely essential discipline for deepening our understanding of disease, unraveling the mysteries of evolution, and shaping the future of medicine. It stands as the key to unlocking the fundamental secrets of life at every conceivable scale. Indeed, the digital revolution in the field of biology is really just beginning to unfold. Physics seeks to uncover the universe's deepest laws. It's a journey to understand the very fabric of reality, from subatomic particles to the vast cosmos. Physicists turn to digital laboratories, harnessing computation to explore the unexplorable. Computational physics uses supercomputers to simulate the evolution of the cosmos, witnessing events that unfolded billions of years ago. These simulations rigorously test our theoretical models, revealing potential flaws. Sophisticated algorithms sift through data from particle colliders, spotting rare events like the Higgs boson. Computation is an integral part of the experimental toolkit, revealing hidden patterns. In material science, researchers simulate the behavior of new alloys at the atomic level, predicting their properties before creation. This accelerates innovation. Computational physics empowers us to deepen our understanding of the universe. The digital age has expanded physics' reach and amplified its impact, fostering collaboration and accelerating discovery. Social sciences once relied on surveys and interviews, limited by small samples and bias. Now, the digital revolution provides a flood of data. Every post, purchase, and GPS ping is a clue to human behavior. Computational social science uses this data to study society at unprecedented scale. Researchers can map how ideas spread globally by analyzing millions of social media posts. In economics, agent-based models simulate entire economies, revealing how simple rules create complex outcomes. These models help policymakers test new ideas in a safe virtual environment. Challenges remain. Data can be messy, unrepresentative, and raise ethical concerns about privacy. But when used responsibly, computational social science offers powerful new insights. It helps us understand urban segregation, track disease information, and reveal the patterns of society. This field is opening a new chapter in our quest to understand ourselves. The digital lens is reshaping the social sciences. At the heart of computational research are powerful methods and tools. Simulations let scientists model real-world processes, tweaking variables to explore endless scenarios. Data analysis is crucial. Modern science generates more data than any human could process. Machine learning algorithms find patterns and anomalies in massive data sets, from medical scans to cosmic signals. For big challenges, researchers use supercomputers, vast networks of processors solving problems in hours, not centuries. Software is the backbone. Programming languages and open-source libraries accelerate progress and collaboration. The toolkit is always evolving, driven by scientific needs. Openness and sharing let scientists build on each other's work, verifying and improving results. These methods and machines are the engines of discovery in the digital age. They empower scientists to tackle questions once thought impossible. Computational research has shifted science from explaining the past to predicting the future. Simulations let us forecast everything from weather to financial markets. Weather models, powered by supercomputers, give us advance warning of storms and save lives. In finance, machine learning predicts market trends and manages risk. Epidemiologists use simulations to forecast disease spread and test interventions before they're needed. Predictions aren't certainties. Models simplify reality and always carry uncertainty. The value lies in exploring possible futures and managing risk. These tools help us make better decisions, from daily choices to public policy. Computational prediction is transforming industries and society. It's not prophecy, but it's the best guide we have to what might come next. The future is now a little less mysterious. Computational research brings new challenges, technical and deeply human. Complex models can become black boxes, making accurate predictions without clear explanations. This is risky in fields like medicine or justice, where understanding the why matters. Models are only as good as their data. Biased or incomplete data leads to flawed conclusions. Ensuring fairness and ethical data collection is critical. There's also a skills gap. Scientists must now master both their field and advanced computation. Training interdisciplinary researchers is a major challenge for education. We must remain critical. Models are not reality, and overconfidence can mislead. Transparency, skepticism, and validation with real-world data are essential. Computational research should augment, not replace, human judgment. The thoughtful, ethical scientist remains at the center of discovery. We've explored how computation has become a pillar of science, opening new frontiers and transforming discovery. It lets us decode life, simulate the universe, and map society's patterns. The future will bring even more sophisticated simulations and breakthroughs in medicine, energy, and materials. Artificial intelligence will help scientists spot patterns and design experiments, accelerating innovation. But we must build models that are transparent, fair, and accountable. Educating scientists fluent in both code and science is vital. Critical thinking and ethical responsibility must guide our progress. The computer is the ultimate tool for extending the mind, not replacing it. The digital laboratory is open, and the next discoveries are just beginning. The story of computational research is the story of human curiosity, pushing the boundaries of what we can know.